Hi friends, welcome to Karthik's Art Photography. Today we will see how to remove some unwanted subjects in wildlife photography. But strictly this should be avoided if you send your pictures for some photography competitions, because most of the photography competitions don't accept photos with over manipulations or over uh, color corrections uh, somewhat features. So let us jump into the video, right? This is this is one of my favorite beautiful deer pictures that I was taken at Kabini Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka. Right, so it will be so good if it doesn't have that other neighbor here, right? So we will remove him without any artificial look. We will not take any time as a long time, as we have see I go plenty of empty space here, right? So we will step into doing. Okay, we can do it in three steps, right? Step number one: copy any empty, select any empty area and copy it that will resemble the particular object's background, right? uh, this object background, it will be resemble the same area, right? So we will copy and it will be, we will paste it. Okay, fine. It will create some another layer, right? So we just move on to the objects, move on front the objects, right? Okay, okay, fine. So this one, this step number two: add vector mask in the layer, in the new layer, right? Add vector mask. Okay, then we will click the vector mask here and pick one brush. So we can do it on opacity 50 to 70% here, and uh, and make the hardness 0%, right? And pick a black color for removing. Okay, you will change some brush size here, right? Okay, okay, gently move on to the subject. Okay, okay, so we will create right. Okay, so we will we will we will remove it without any effects, right? So uh, this will be step number two, and we will need some more natural look here. So we need a clone tool here, clone stamp tool, and select background. Alt plus click to select this place and click it on here. Okay, okay, fine. So then another. Okay, then again select the tool. Okay, okay, okay. You can see the object's face here, right? Okay, we'll do some. Again we will clone some areas in here and clone it on here, right? Okay, Mm, okay. Okay, fine. So we will create it. So we will create the deer pictures now without any disturbed backgrounds here, right? Background objects here. So it will look more natural feel as well, right? Okay. Thanks for watching guys. Please support this channel by like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.